Have you ever tried fried fish on a spring onion and ginger sauce? Well, that's what I'm gonna make for you today. So let's get it on. Welcome everyone, I'm Dimags and you're watching Simplehan lang, which helps you build your cooking ideas more interesting, fun, and easier. So grab a beer, sit back and relax while I show you how to make my favorite spring onion and ginger sauce. Well, apparently it goes well with everything as they say. I haven't tried it in fruits, like apple, but basically it goes well with you know, the fish, the pork, maybe inihaw or pinirito, beef, or vegetables. I love it because it's very tasteful para sa akin. Well, some are crushing it by using mortar in order to release its natural flavor. But for me, I prefer to have it chopped in tiny little pieces so that the moment it goes into your mouth, well, it melts into your mouth, inside I mean. So mas masarap yung lasa niya, mas nalalasahan mo siya, yung aroma niya, yung flavor niya, yung juice niya, it's inside your mouth and it's more tasteful basically para sa akin. Just like this one. I hope you can see it. Can you see it? There you go. Just like that one. See how beautiful it is. Sarap. Let's continue. Basically, it's just a chopped spring onion and ginger and vegetable oil with the addition of sesame oil and a little bit of salt, and that's it. For those of you who doesn't know me yet, my name is Dimags, helping you build your cooking ideas more fun, interesting, and easier. And if you like my videos, please consider subscribing and also hit that notification bell for you to get updated on my latest videos. See you! Alright, there you go mga kasimplihan. I hope nagustuhan niyo yung video na ginawa ko para sa inyo regarding my favorite sausawan for all time. All time favorite. Paborito ko yan sa kahit na anong pagkain na isasabay ko yan. It's just chopped spring onions, ginger, a little bit of sesame oil, salt, cooking vegetable oil, and of course gusto ko mayroon konting anghang, kaya lang hindi ko siya malagyan ng marami dahil ayaw ng family ko. Tsaka yung mga anak ko kakain din, paborito nila ito eh. So come here, Dong Dong.
Okay.
Do you like this one?
Yeah.
So simple lang yung ginawa ko ngayon, nag-fry lang ako ng sibas. Kasi gusto nito na bulilit ko eh. So, I love you. Sino love ng Dom-Dom?
Dad.
Wow! Si Mami love mo?
Hindi na.
Wow! Okay, fish. Your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try the fish. Yung mga cameraman ko dyan sa likod, mamaya nyo. Tikman. Siyempre, anak ko muna. Nakikita nyo ba? Paborito ito ni Dom-Dom. Tago ko nga yung mata ko. Okay. Kasi, na-capture ng camera yung mata ko. How is it?
Good.
It's good? What
Yeah.
about the rice? Rice and rice. You like it?
Yeah.
Kiss daddy. Alam mo? Okay. So, daddy naman titigay mo yan. Ito yan, fish. Sausa lang natin dito kasi paborito ko to. Napakasarap na ito. Sa totoo lang. Kita nyo ba? Tago ko nga mata ko ulit. Alright. Kita niya? Okay. There you go. Alright. Kita nyo? Ayan. Ayan lang ako kumain nito. Wow! Plus garlic rice. Is it spicy? It's hot?
No.
It's not?
Yeah.
Goes well with the Coke. Baka naman. Alright. Muli po nagpapasalamat kami sa po ng aking pamilya, staffs and crew. Parang laki na ng production ko. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo at umabot kayo hanggang dito sa dulo ng aming video. Once again, my name is D-Mags, and for those of you who haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng mga video na gagawin namin in the future. And if you do have some comments, reaction, whatever it is, just write it down below the comment section, and I'll try my very best para sagutin ko yon as soon as or as early as possible. Maraming salamat po. Isang mga shoutouts natin dyan sa next video na lang po tayo dahil nagmamadali din po ako. Okay? See you! Bye-bye!
Bye.
One more time. This is D-Mags na nagsasabing mas mabango, mas masarap,
Opo.
kainin. Alright, there you go.